Hi everybody, this is Anne-Marie from AMBillustrations, and it's the brand new year, and yesterday, January 6th, was my first day back to work, and so I've created this dinosaur pack. Now, I had this terrific idea of making this dinosaur volcano because during the Christmas vacation, I've taken, no, before the Christmas vacation, I took a little cake decorating class where we made a reindeer cake, and I learned how to make cookies and flooding cookies and stuff, so it inspired me to make a different type of cake, especially for a birthday dinosaur bash, right? So I made this volcano cake. So I went on Etsy to make sure that I always like to do, new things and things that people haven't done. So I looked for that and I wrote dinosaur volcano cake clip art. And yes, I thought I saw a guy holding a cake. Was that on here? Let me see. Yeah, right here. Like Barney's holding a cake. But apart from that, there are no volcano cakes. So that is really good because there's only one page of volcano cakes. Anyway, so that was it. I always try to make sure that I'm trying to do something different. When I first did the dinosaurs, there were no volcanoes, and I had put the volcanoes and everything else, and then everybody started putting volcanoes. So we'll see. All right, so this is my pack, and so I've added a whole bunch of things so that you can make party invitations and all kinds of party decorations, invitations and decorations for your projects. Hang on a second, what's happening? Oh, there we go. So I'll show you the pack. So I put banners up here, I've got footprints, a palm tree, some different eggs. I've made balloons, but the balloons that I've made them to look like the eggs, and I thought that was kind of cute. I've also have this little dinosaur carrying his own balloon, and this one with a party hat and plain balloons on them. Now what I've done is I've incorporated these images all separately, and I've colored, you'll see, the dinosaurs differently. So if let's say you like this little guy here, but you want the green little guy in a orange egg, well, I've got all the pieces for you so to make it easier for you to do it. Okay, so that's what I have in this pack. Actually, it's 3 packs in one. I made another cake. There we go. I got all inspired. So this one was that was my initial one. And then I figured, I'm going to go take some stuff out of a volcano. Actually, I would really like to try this to make a volcano cake. I could imagine putting a tube in the middle and putting, more liquidy icing, and then tinting it red, and then pushing it, having something push out, from the top, and it would like just spill over. That'd be awesome cute. As you can see, I've been inspired by baking shows over the holidays too. So that's it. So that was my first cake. As you see, I've done him in a different set of colors. I've added little elements like flowers and stuff in case you wanted to make a montage or a cameo. I've did this frame here with a print of the dinosaur print in there. Little gifts. Here he is in orange. And the plain balloons, what is this? Oh, that's the clouds, because my background was blue. All right, so that's it. Here we go. So as you see, here's the orange one with the green, with the like a light green egg. I did a frame, but the frame you could use as a base for an invitation because it's a 5x7. So I've given you, okay, so here we go. We have the different balloons, we have the 3 different eggs, and the hats separately. So let's take a look at what we can do. Hang on a second. All right, so let's say I'm taking this guy, and I'm taking, so what did I say before? This in blue. So I could put him in blue. I just have to bring it a bit bigger. Or I could use, what do I have initially? Orange and blue. Here, come here. Orange and blue. So I could have, do I not have blue? Yes, I do, right here. Blue, and then I could have green. All right, there we go. Now, if I wanted to, I could, here I have the initial plain balloons, but let's say I want to have the polka dot balloons. All I have to do is bring them here. I could leave them in the front like that, or I could send them to back, as so, and I can make them a bit bigger to detach them from I can't remember what kind of animal that is, what kind of dinosaur this, Receptosaurus, Triceptosaurus, or I can ask my grandson, he'd tell me. He goes, no, Nana, that's a whatever, what, I'm not going to try it. Okay, so you can do that, or you could simply just have one balloon, let's say orange here, like so. There we go. Or you could take off the egg and no, you don't want the egg, you just want the balloon. Well, there we go. You can just have the balloon, just put it here, there we are. Or you could put it, you could take this and decide that you want this as a hat. You know, you could. There we go. So that one has, oops, okay, maybe not. Hang on a second, let me bring this bigger. There we are. You could have a little hat on. Or, let's see, what else can we do here? I could do that to this one. This one could have the 3 balloons. Bring it to back. It's as if he's carrying them. Or you could take a gift, put it on his back. Bring this to front, like so. Okay, and oh yes, so what I want to do also is you could take this and you could put this guy, let's say, in front of it. Like this. Also, even if you're working in, hang on a second, in Word or any other application, you could always lighten things up. They'll have transparency functions, like so. Like I'm all confused here. What is happening? There we are. Like so. Okay, you can decide to put this guy, has a little hat on. There we go. Like that. I'll bring it down a little bit. There we are. Or he can have a hat like this. No, that's the same color. I would not do that. Okay, so let's see what I can do with this. What? Just put this in the back of her or him. Could be a cute little montage. And then you could also have this. So let's say I'm making, oh, let me go get this, paste. I want the little balloons. And I love it. Welcome. Hang on a second. You are invited to a dynamite birthday party. Okay, so let's go find something here. I didn't load up my fonts, but hang on a second. Sure, something like that. You are invited to a dynamite birthday party. Maybe put this at 80. I would choose another lettering, definitely. To, hang on a second, Jason's Dynamite birthday party. So I might put this here, put this here, put this here. You are invited to Jason's Dynamite birthday party. Something like that, and then I could put this here instead. I would have liked my dish to be a different color. So I think what I'll do, it's when I'm doing things like this that I notice how you use it and how it would be so much better if there were other elements included. So I think what I'll do is I'll put the frames, the invitations, I'll put an extra folder in that box in the pack where you're going to have different colors, different transparencies in the background. So it might be like a lighter green. So let's say this could be, let's say 40% that color. So it's exactly the same color, but just a bit lighter. And everything pops, right? So the only thing I would do with this is let me go ungroup this. And then this, I would make a bit darker. Whoops, it's white. So maybe I should, hang on, I'm just trying something here. Yeah, something like that. Or maybe not even, maybe just the back of it. Maybe it's too much. Yeah, maybe that's too much. Okay, so then do I want this in blue, orange, dark green? I'm sort of liking the dark green. Anyway, I'm not here to design invitations. I'm just here to show you what you could do with this. So definitely on my list to do today is going to be to add that to the pack. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Oh, we could have also did something like this. Happy birthday. Something like that. Okay, I'm getting caught up here. But this is it. This is what's happening. This is my newest pack. And of course, I am doing my papers. So I have a lot to do still, but that will probably be up tomorrow. Anyway, hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm always going to try to be putting new stuff up. Join my Facebook page and find out what's happening, what are the newest products that I'm releasing. And what else? I'm so not good at social media. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. I hope a great week. Let me know what you think. Love you. Ciao for now.